Hello and welcome to new video of Tech Popcorn. From laptop webcam to 360-degree cam, there are multiple options available and everyone claims to provide high quality video call experience. There is a better way of live streaming or professional video calling using your mobile's camera. Open Play Store, search for Droid Cam and install it. You have to connect your mobile via same Wi-Fi network with which your laptop is connected. Note down the Wi-Fi IP. Now search for Dev47 apps in your laptop. I have already downloaded and installed the Windows compatible Droid.com software. Download and install the drivers. Open Droid Cam client and fill the Wi-Fi IP in device IP. You can also connect using USB cable and that would be even more fast, but it will limit the portability of mobile as it would be wired connection. Click on Start and see the glory of video quality. Better the camera of mobile, better the quality. This is just a small clip for demonstration, but think about the possibilities with your camera. Screen recording, game video, reaction video, what's your X factor? We are coming with a very interesting and unique idea soon, so make sure to subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update for our videos. Thanks for supporting and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.